Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload custom playbook to download center in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, simply select the option create and share. Right here, go to custom playbooks and you can simply create offense playbook or defense playbook, whichever you like. So in order to create, we need to choose the existing playbook to edit. Let's start with this one. So right here, you can just make any changes to this playbook. Then you can go to my playbook tab. Here you'll able to see a couple of more things, like you can remove play, you can add play. Similarly, you can remove or basically check or uncheck those plays you want to remove or add. Then you can also adjust game plan, like adjust the sliders and stuff like that. Once you're happy, hit the back button, select the option save playbook and select new. You can name this playbook whatever you like. I'm gonna name it something like, I guess, YUK, like this, and simply gonna save this. Once the playbook is saved, now you can simply share this to download center. So for that, all you gotta do, go to create and share again, select the option download center. Now here, go to my share tab. Since we wanna share the playbook, we're gonna select the option share new just underneath of playbooks and just simply select the playbook you would like to share. We're gonna select the YUK and just you can enter the file name again. We're gonna name it same and just gonna save this, share, and yeah, you can see the uploading is started. So wait for a few seconds here. Now the file is successfully uploaded. We can go to my share tab again to see if the file is uploaded or not, and this is a custom playbook file which we have uploaded. So yeah guys, that's it. This is the process you need to follow to upload custom playbook on download center in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.